Do you constantly feel cold, sluggish, struggle to lose weight, or find yourself dealing with brain fog more often than you'd like? It might surprise you to know that one small organ in your neck could be the root of these problems, your thyroid. Yes, this butterfly-shaped gland plays a powerful role in regulating your metabolism, energy levels, and even your mood. But how can you keep it healthy and functioning at its best? Today's 3 specific foods can make all the difference when it comes to your thyroid support. Welcome to Levitas. Let's start by understanding why the thyroid is so essential. The thyroid gland, located at the front of your neck, is responsible for producing hormones that regulate many of the body's key processes. These hormones, primarily thyroxine, or T4, and triiodothyronine, also known as T3, control your metabolism, the rate at which your body uses energy. When your thyroid is working correctly, it ensures that your metabolism runs smoothly, meaning you can maintain a healthy weight, have steady energy throughout the day, and keep your heart, brain, and muscles functioning properly. But that's not all. The thyroid also influences your body's sensitivity to other hormones, including insulin, making it vital for blood sugar control. It helps manage your body temperature, impacts digestion, and plays a role in mood regulation. A well-functioning thyroid is central to overall well-being, and when it's out of balance, it can cause a host of issues, from weight gain to chronic fatigue, depression, and more. This is why taking care of your thyroid is crucial. Now, before we dive into the specific hero foods, it's important to understand what can go wrong with thyroid function. A variety of factors can disrupt the delicate balance of thyroid hormone production. One of the most common causes is iodine deficiency, as iodine is essential for making thyroid hormones. Without enough iodine, the thyroid struggles to produce sufficient amounts of T3 and T4, leading to hypothyroidism, where your metabolism slows down. Another disruptor is chronic inflammation, or autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the thyroid gland. Environmental toxins such as heavy metals, pesticides, and even some plastics can interfere with thyroid function, as can excessive stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep. Finally, an imbalance in other hormones, such as cortisol from chronic stress, can also negatively impact the thyroid, further hampering its ability to function optimally. So, what are the 3 best foods to support your thyroid gland? Now that you know why your thyroid is so important and what can disrupt it, let's move on to the exciting part. The 3 best foods you can eat to take care of your thyroid. Food number 1 is seaweed, which is perhaps the most powerful food when it comes to supporting thyroid health, thanks to its rich iodine content. Iodine is a key building block for thyroid hormones, and without it, the thyroid simply can't function properly. In fact, iodine deficiency is one of the leading causes of thyroid problems worldwide. Seaweed offers a natural, potent source of iodine, making it an excellent choice for keeping your thyroid healthy. But not all seaweeds are created equal. The types of seaweed that are most beneficial for thyroid health include kelp, nori, wakame, and dulse. Kelp, in particular, contains some of the highest concentrations of iodine, but it's important to consume it in moderation. Too much iodine can actually cause thyroid issues, just as too little can. For optimal thyroid health, it's recommended that adults aim for around 150 micrograms of iodine per day. That's about 1/4 teaspoon of dried kelp. You can easily incorporate seaweed into your diet by adding dried seaweed flakes to salads, soups, or smoothies, or by enjoying seaweed snacks. However, moderation is key. If you're getting a sufficient amount of iodine from other sources like iodized salt, make sure you're not overloading on seaweed. It's also important to ensure you're consuming other nutrients that help the body utilize iodine effectively, such as selenium, which brings us to the next hero. Our food number 2 are Brazil nuts. They are an incredibly rich source of selenium, another essential mineral for thyroid health. Selenium plays a crucial role in the conversion of T4, the inactive form of thyroid hormone, into T3, the active form that your cells can use. Without enough selenium, your body can't properly utilize the thyroid hormones your gland produces, even if you're getting enough iodine. The thyroid is also a small but highly active gland that generates a lot of free radicals in the process of hormone production. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect the thyroid from oxidative stress and damage. Studies have shown that adequate selenium intake can reduce thyroid inflammation and improve overall thyroid function, particularly in people with autoimmune thyroid conditions like Hashimoto's. How much selenium do you need? Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day is enough to meet your daily selenium requirement, which is around 55 micrograms for most adults. Be mindful not to overdo it with Brazil nuts, as too much selenium can lead to toxicity. Stick to 1 or 2 nuts a day, and you'll provide your thyroid with the selenium it needs to stay healthy. Enjoy them as a dessert, sprinkle them on salads, or blend them into smoothies for an easy way to boost your thyroid function. And our hero food number 3, while it often gets a bad rap, red meat is actually a very beneficial food for thyroid health when adequately consumed. The reason? Red meat is a fantastic source of zinc, iron, and other important nutrients that play a crucial role in thyroid function. Zinc, in particular, is essential for thyroid hormone production, and studies show that even a mild zinc deficiency can impair thyroid function. Iron is another important mineral found in red meat that helps transport oxygen to the thyroid and supports hormone production. People with iron deficiency are at higher risk of hypothyroidism, so it's essential to ensure you're getting enough iron, particularly if you're at risk for deficiency due to factors like menstruation or a plant-based diet. Red meat also provides protein, which helps regulate your metabolism and supports healthy muscle mass, both of which are important for thyroid health. So, how much red meat should you eat? Aim to include at least 3 servings of lean, high-quality red meat per week, with a portion size being around 4 ounces or about the size of the palm of your hand at least. Opt for lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or ground beef with a lower fat percentage. As always, balance is important. While red meat offers valuable nutrients, you'll want to pair it with other foods rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals to ensure your overall diet supports thyroid health. In conclusion, the thyroid gland is an essential regulator of our body's metabolism, hormone sensitivity, and energy balance. It controls the production of hormones that ensure our systems function smoothly, from maintaining a healthy weight to supporting heart and brain function. However, its performance can be compromised by factors like iodine deficiency, autoimmune diseases, chronic stress, and exposure to environmental toxins, leading to health problems such as hypothyroidism. Fortunately, incorporating specific nutrient-rich foods like seaweed, Brazil nuts, and red meat into your food plan can help to naturally support your thyroid function. Seaweed provides iodine, crucial for thyroid hormone production, while Brazil nuts supply selenium, necessary for converting thyroid hormones to their active form. Red meat offers zinc and iron, which further support thyroid health. Eating these foods in adequate amounts can provide the key nutrients your thyroid needs to function optimally, keeping your metabolism and overall health in check. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.